If you have click in this video, that means you are having trouble sleeping. There could be many reasons due to which either you cannot sleep or wake up tired in the morning. But today we are not talking about the reasons. We are talking about how you can fix your sleep so that you can sleep less but still wake up fresh in the morning. Here are the 5 important steps. 1. Sleep schedule. Having a proper sleep schedule means you are waking and sleeping at the same time every day. As a result, your body will adjust itself to the pattern where it knows when you need rest and when to get up. If you're having difficulty in waking up early in the morning, you can use a clock, but remember to keep it away from yourself, at least at a distance where you cannot reach your hand to snooze it. 2. Limit daytime naps. Taking a nap is not bad, but if you're having trouble sleeping at night, so I will recommend that you should not take nap in the day. 3. Physical activity. Doing some physical activity is very important in today's time, where technology has made our life simple and easier. So try to do some physical activity. Also, try to get some natural light, like getting some sunlight in the morning. 4. Reduce the intake of caffeine in the evening. Taking caffeine in the evening affects your sleep cycle. Evening caffeine is not good for your sleep because it disturbs your internal clock, or what you say, your circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep. Also, avoid forced sleep. That means do not try to sleep forcefully. Either you read some novel or fiction book, or you can listen to some light music till your body is ready to sleep. 5. Sleep environment. You must keep your room cool, dark, and quiet so that it will not affect your sleep while you are sleeping. And also try to avoid blue light exposure at least 30 minutes before bed. So these are some tips that will help you in getting some quality sleep. Hope this helps you. If you enjoyed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Till then, goodbye.